Hi guys, how are you all? Happy New Year again. And today we're going to hike. We're going to have a short hike and then we're going to explore to the Plover Water Reservoir. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy my vlog for today. But before going further, let me first say mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na nanonood. Maraming thank you po. At stay tuned kasi mag-intro po muna tayo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in the Taimito. This is still part of the Taimito. This is the part 2 of my premiere last Friday. And then for today, we're going to have a short hike. And then later on, we're going down and we're going to explore to the Plover Water Reservoir here in Hongkong. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy my vlog for today. But anyway guys, let me first say mega love shout out po ulit sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na naka-tune in. Sa lahat po ng mga tahanan na umupun kayo sa labi, maraming thank you po sa inyong lahat. At salamat po sa support. Ayan, hindi po talaga ako magsasawang magpapasalamat po sa inyo dahil kung wala kayo, wala rin po sa labi. So thank you very much po sa support. Ayan, so hindi ko na po patatagalin at kami ay aakyat na po doon sa taas. So, hope you enjoy my vlog. Sit back, relax, and enjoy watching everyone. So from the top, after we hike, we're here already down and I'm going to show you here in the water reservoir. So this is it. This is located in Taimito, still part of New Territories, Hong Kong. This part here is the seashore and then the other side is the water reservoir. Here we can see it's like a dam that separates the seawater to the water reservoir that is supplying water here in Hong Kong. This part of Taimito here is very famous for hiking, flying kites, and family expanding. So this is a very nice place for you guys, and then you can enjoy the good views and the scenic views here. That is very beautiful, relaxing, and you can unwind with your loved ones and friends as well. So this is the water reservoir, and then this is where the water of Hong Kong came from. So it supplies water around Hong Kong areas. As you can see here, guys, there's a lot of kites. They're enjoying flying kites here, and this is a perfect place to fly the kites. So take time to come here if you're here in Hong Kong, and then you can also enjoy yourselves. So that's it. Thank you for watching. At salamat din po sa pagdalaw sa aking channel. To all my new subscribers, thank you very much for visiting Solabi, and I hope you will stay for long. Sabi ka no. So, it's time na guys para umuwi na tayo kasi medyo malayo pa yung ating pinanggalingan. So, medyo tumilim na. So, kailangan na po nating sumakay pabalik sa syudad. So, salamat po ulit. At kailangan na rin po nating sumabay sa kanila na pauwi na rin po. And hope you enjoyed my video for tonight. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much. Let's stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Solabi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always. See you in my next videos. Paalam!